We are so proud being here live, no Zoom, no Teams, no video conference, meeting people, networking, talking to people.
It's a great event, and congratulations to all of you who have been doing such a marvelous job.
We are Europe's largest airline, lowest cost airline. We will be part of the recovery, not just in Europe, not just in Italy where we're the #1 airline, but here in Bologna.
Well, it's my first one and hope not the last one. And I'm very happy to be here. And again, seeing people face to face and have these interactions is the best thing to do to our business.
For the Aviation-Event, a prestigious gathering of top aviation and tourism professionals. Finally, aviation is back.
Marcel Rywalski, CEO, Aviation-Event.
This is a different event because it not only was giving some feedback for the locals, but also some international feedback what's being done in the region. So I think it was really positive and definitely something to repeat.
Great event, first of all. A lot of upscaling this year versus previous events. A lot more people, very well organized.
It's been a pleasure to be here in Cluj. The organization has been flawless, and it's nice to be together with all the partners in the industry and the colleagues. So great time here in Cluj.